हेलो कैट, ये है हमारे शेप, स्क्वायर शेप, नेक्स्ट है स्टार शेप, oval shape, hexagon, crescent shape. Last one is triangle shape. Now draw and color it. Square shape, star shape, star shape, oval shape, oval shape, hexagon shape, hexagon, crescent shape, crescent, triangle, triangle shape. Now color it brown color, square, brown color, square shape, yellow color, star shape, owl shape, owl shape, pink color, pink color, oval shape, green color, hexagon, green color, hexagon shape, orange color, crescent shape, golden color, golden color, triangle shape, golden color, triangle shape.